afternoon everyone, my name is Axel Bigabayno and this is my report for history. And it's all about for Rodrigo Roa Duterte agrarian reforms. President Rodrigo Duterte's administration implemented several key initiatives in agrarian reforms. Land distribution. A total of 516,000 hectares were distributed among 405 and 800 farmers nationwide by the Department of Agrarian Reform or DAR. Reactivation of PARC. Duterte reactivate the Presidential Agrarian Reforms Council or PARC on September 12, 2016, which revoked stock distribution option plans and agribusiness venture arrangement counter to agrarian reform law. Duterte plans to place almost all public lands including military service under agrarian reform. Plano ni Duterte na ilagay ang halos lahat ng publikong mga lupain kabilang ang mga reserbang militar sa ilalim ng agrarian reform. The President also placed 400 hectares of agricultural land and in Boracay under CARP. Iniligay din ng Pangulo ang 400 hektaryang mga lupang agrikultural sa Boracay sa ilalim ng CARP. The department also pursue an Oplan Zero backlog in the resolution of cases in relation to agrarian justice delivery of the agrarian reform program to fast-track the implementation of CARP. Ang Oplan Zero backlog, pagresolba ng mga kaso kaugnay ng agraryong hustisya, paghahatid ng the agrarian reform program sa mabilis na pagsubaybay sa pagpapatupad ng CARP. Under his leadership, the President wants to pursue an aggressive. Ang ibig sabihin po ng aggressive ay mabilisan pong pagresolba ng mga kaso na nakapaloob sa agrarian reform sa taon ng kanyang pamamahala bilang Pangulo. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat. Muli po, my name is Axel Bigabayno and this is my report for history po.